Capture every drive in stunning detail. The WOLFBOX G900 Pro delivers 4K front and 2.5K rear recording, plus voice control and 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi for instant access. Dual clarity mastery, 4K front camera, and 2.5K rear, 2560 by 1440, record every license plate and road sign. Day or night, nothing escapes the STARVIS 2 IMX678 sensor. Blazing fast transfers, 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi connects to the WOLFBOX app in seconds. Download and share 4K videos instantly, no more waiting around. Drive smarter, voice commands control recording, snapshots, and settings. Keep your hands on the wheel and eyes on the road. Complete peace of mind. Includes a 128 GB card and a full 1-year warranty. Add the hardware kit for 24-hour parking monitoring. For drivers who demand pro-grade security without complexity, this is the ultimate 2024 dash cam. Explore it on Aliexpress, where clarity meets confidence.